Hi, I'm Maya and I really want pretty nails, but I don't want to spend a lot of money each month to get my nails done at the salon, so I decided to try to DIY it at home and hopefully make this a self-care habit that I can take care of by myself. When I started my search for which nail set to order, I got overwhelmed by all the choices and postponed my purchase for at least a month, but then after a good month of searching for which nail set to buy, I decided and splurged on this Amazon gel nail set, and I'm gonna put the link of this set in the description below if you want to check it out yourself. I'm a schooled esthetician, and even though I didn't specialize in nails and nail care, I've still tried many different types of nail products in my school years. And while unboxing this package, I was shocked because nail products can cost a fortune, and for spending the amount of money I did for this package, I was pleasantly surprised at the quality of these products. Already when I got this package, I was firstly shocked by the quality of the box it came in, because you can sometimes feel the bad quality of the products by how it's packaged. So I got a good feeling about this one from the start. Okay, I'm gonna lay out everything that I got in this package so you can get a better feeling for what you get for the price. And these are the colors that I picked from the choices that you have on Amazon. There's a lot of choices to pick from, but I picked these colors because it fit my fall aesthetic perfectly. Okay, time to get into it. I started off with scraping my cuticles and cutting off my dead skin, but I slipped a little, so I cut myself. This wasn't the product's fault, I was clumsy and too eager to start this review, so that was my fault. I went too fast. It wasn't anything serious, it's all okay now. Just a warning, be careful because the tools are sharp. This part of cuticle removal is really satisfying to watch. I didn't film it up close. Next time I'm filming this, I'm filming up close because it's satisfying when you cut off this dead skin. Okay, next step is filing down one layer of the nail so you get a clean, oil-free base. And this file did the job. It wasn't anything special, it just did the job. And the brush came in handy to dust off the nails. First layer on the nail is the foundation. You have to go thinly on this one, thin layers, because otherwise it can start peeling quickly when you are done with the nails and they can chip off faster. So for longevity you have to go thinly, with each layer, thin layers. It was good. I have nothing to complain about. It was really good to use, it was easy to use, and it cured on as it said in the instructions. It cured in 60 seconds. Oh no, in the instructions it said 30 seconds, but I put it on 60 just in case. But watch out, the layers are sticky when you're done, and if you want your nails to last longer, you must not touch your nails, so you don't put on oils, and just apply the next layers on top until you're done. Then you can touch your nails, okay? The color I picked is pretty transparent. I don't know about the others, I'm gonna have to try them out so I can tell you more, but this one is pretty transparent, so it still looks pretty, but it's not the saturated color that I expected. So I bedazzled one nail a little, just to add a little decoration so it's not that boring. When I was curing the top layer, I saw that it was glowing in the UV light, and because I thought it was interesting, I wanted to show you that. And for a finishing touch, I put on the oil. This oil applicator is perfect to use on nails. Here is one hand done. It doesn't look that different, but when you compare it with the side that it's not done, it's marvelous. It looks way prettier. It's glowy, it's finished, it looks tidy, it looks put together, and it looks way more finished than the other hand. And I don't know if this is just me, but when I have my nails done and they look put together, I feel like a different woman. I tidy up my space more and I do more, and I'm more productive when I have my nails done. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah. Okay, I did my other hand quickly. I am really happy with the results. I'm pleasantly surprised by the quality of the products, except the colors are a bit too transparent. You have to do 2 or 3 layers for a more opaque look, but I don't mind that. If I'm gonna want more saturated colors in the future, I'm gonna just order them separately. But other than that, I really recommend this product. It has everything you need to start with your first manicure at home, and it's a lot cheaper than going to the salon. Now it's been a week and a half and I have all of my nails except one, but that one got chipped because a drawer fell on my hand. Everything is okay, my hand is okay, but yeah, other nails which I didn't murder with my drawer. They're all intact, but now I'm really tempted to take them off and try another color as well, so I have the experience of the darker colors too. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll be really happy to talk to you. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I post bullet journaling, organizing, nails, just everything a typical Virgo would do. I really wish you a nice day and good luck if you are going to attempt to do your nails at home.